Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes. And today we're going to talk about Global Lyme Alliance. Global Lyme Alliance is the largest nonprofit organization in support of tick-borne illness. It's located in headquarters are either in New York or Stamford, Connecticut. And it was started almost 30 years ago by two Greenwich mothers whose children became very, very ill with tick-borne illness. And 30 years ago, it was not well known that Lyme disease was an epidemic. There were very few doctors that treated it, and there were very few doctors that even recognized that it was a syndrome. These two mothers, Debbie Siciliano and Diane Blanchard, started this nonprofit. At the time, it was called Time for Lyme, and it has grown exponentially over the next 25 to 30 years, and it's now called Global Lyme Alliance, and they do all sorts of things to increase the education and awareness around tick-borne illness, and they have all these fundraisers all over the country where they raise money and then they use that money to grant research scientists money who are studying various aspects of tick-borne illness. So Global Lyme Alliance is a really pretty remarkable nonprofit organization for patients with Lyme disease. There's also lots and lots of patient resources on their website, which is www.globallymealliance.org. And there's a peer mentorship program where you can sign up and get matched with a peer that will help you through treatment. There's tons of information, educational information on their website, and it's a really, really high quality nonprofit. I actually received an award from them. It was a service award, and here it is. It says, "To Dr. Susan Marra, our achievements are made possible due to the generosity of your time and willingness to share your expertise with Global Lyme Alliance." And so that's near and dear to me. And I'm also on their medical board. So I help them make decisions about, I think what I do, as well as the other physicians, clinicians on the board, is I bridge the gap between what we see clinically and what we need research-wise, because they do not speak to each other in the real world. So there needs to be a liaison, and so their medical board does just that. It takes the insights from doctors and their clinical expertise, and then we meet 4 times a year, and then we talk about, well, it'd be good to do this, it'd be good to do this, we might need to do this. And I find it to be, refreshing because, for 25 years, there was like no research for tick-borne illness. It just stayed stagnant. And so, that's one of the reasons why we don't have a cure yet. And, with HIV, we had a cure in 15 years. And this is a far bigger epidemic than HIV was. So Global Lyme Alliance is a wonderful nonprofit that you can go on their website and get a bunch of patient information. If you'd like to donate, that'd be great. And I think that it is going to be at the forefront and cutting edge of future tick-borne disease research, which I'm really thrilled about. So I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.